Let's do our letter names and sounds. I'll hold them up. You say the name and the sound. Here we go. Remember, this is not B, it's B. Just the short sound B. We don't have babies, we have babies. There are no balls, we have balls. Just use the B sound. Cut it off. The same way with P. It's no puz. We don't have popsicles, we have popsicle. Here's another one of those letters. No does. It's D, not duh. We don't drink or we don't eat dip. We eat dip. Good job. All right, let's review our sight words. We're going to use the same words that we used yesterday. I'm going to try to keep the same words all week long so that maybe that will help us to better learn and remember them. Here we go. H-A-V-E, 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 have, have. O-F, 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 of. S-H-E, S-H-E, S-H-E spells she, she. A-R-E, A-R-E, A-R-E spells are, are. I. That's a very easy one. It's the same as its letter name. D-O, 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 do, do. M-Y, 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 my. Good job. Good job. All right, I'm going to use the whiteboard and the marker today. And we're going to do the same kind of thing we did yesterday. I'm going to put some letters down there, the first and the last letter. You are going to find the middle sound that comes in for that to that word. I'll help you with the first few. We'll do them together. I will tap them so you can separate those sounds, and then the other few you will do. You don't need paper and pencil, just say them out loud. Here we go. All right, let's say the sounds. Mm. Now, does that make a word? No, not really. What's missing? That vowel or glue letter. So let's say I want to make the word rim. M. Let's tap it out. M. What did I tap out? What belongs in there? If you said a letter I, you are right. Let's do it together. M. M. Rim. Rim. Good. All right, let's do another one. We'll do one more together, and then you can try. Let's try this word. All right, let's tap what we have. What kind of word is that? None, because we're missing the vowel. What vowel is missing if I want to write the word fox? Fox. Ox. Fox. What's missing? If you said the O, you are right. Let's tap it out. Ox. Ox. Fox. Good. All right. Now let's do them, and we'll do them together, but I'm going to tell you what the word should be, and I want you to separate the sounds and tell me what letter, or think about what letter should be there. O, G. But that doesn't make a word. We need that vowel. I want it to say leg. Egg. Leg. What letter should go in there to make it say egg, leg? If you said the sound, egg, leg. If you said that in there, you are right. All right, here we go again. Oh, I didn't do that so good. Let's erase that and try again. All right, let's tap it. I wanted to say van, van. What vowel do we need? If you said a, an, an, van. Good. We got the word van. All right. This time we're going to use this t, b, t, b. Those are the sounds you're going to have at the beginning, but I want it to say tub, tub. What is missing? If you said you, tub, 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 you were correct. Now we're going to do something, and this time I'm going to do the first letter and sound and the last sound. All right, let's tap it. Now, I'm going to write the vowels up here. Oop. I like to write them in order. A, E, I, O, and U. They are vowels. If I want this word to say mat, which vowel do I need to put in there to make it say mat? If you said the A, you are right. The A makes it say mat. Cross it off. Now, I can use the same first and last letters and put a different vowel. Let's try the E. Ready? Et, et, met. Met, a completely different word, just changing the middle sound. All right, let's put the I in there. Ready? It, it, mit, mit. Good. A catcher has to have a mitt when they play ball to catch the ball. All right, let's put this sound in. Ot, 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 mot. Mot. Mot's a silly word. It's not a real word, but it helps us learn to say words or to read words quickly by just changing that middle sound. One more vowel. Ready? Ut, ut, mutt, mutt. And that's what they call a dog when it doesn't really have a breed of its own. It's kind of a dog that's mixed up, maybe collie and lab and poodle, and they call it a mutt sometimes, but they're lovable just the same. Now think about it. If we had the A, it would be mat, met for the E, mit for the I, mot with the O, and mutt with the U. You could get a piece of paper, have mommy write a word. It doesn't matter if they're silly words or not. It will just help you to say them. Put each one of the vowels in the middle. Have a good day. See you later.